Am I late? Oh no, I'm late. Hello everybody to a new video. Today I have some news regarding this channel. Today I can't take it anymore. I put so much time and effort into this channel and I barely get any views. For example, the Beanstronauts video took me 6 weeks in total from making the game to publishing its devlog, and it received only 300 views. Also, Carlson Run devlog took me 6 weeks to make and it only got about 900 views. Not only those two, but pretty much every single video I make barely gets views, although I spend about like a month in each. Not only that, but I can't make a lot of videos because college is a pain. It left me with almost no time to work on my games or on my videos. For example, I'm planning to make a devlog about the fire level I'm working on my main project Bonds of Unity. But a month passed and I'm only 40% of completing it because of my studies. So finishing the level and making a video about it will take me another 2 months. And for what? Couple of hundred views? I can't take this anymore and I had to make some changes into this channel. Instead of making highly edited devlogs every few months, I will make small videos instead. Those videos will also be highly edited and it will be about video game development, of course. This doesn't mean that I will stop making highly edited long videos. All I'm saying is that it won't be my focus most of the time because I don't have time for that. Also, I'm planning to stream some development stuff on this channel as well as some video games, so stay tuned for that. And if you want to help me out, like and comment on my videos and share my channel with other people. It will really help with the algorithm and it would give me another reason not to hang myself. Of course I'm joking, I won't hang myself. YouTube, please! So anyway, thank you for watching and stay tuned for new videos regarding Bonds of Unity. You can also check out my other channels if you want more different content from me. Thank you for watching and I will see you later. Peace out.